Hamster Kombat's new metal card with Crypto.com. Hey everyone, in this Today video, we've got some exciting news for all you Hamster Kombat fans and crypto enthusiasts out there. Hamster Kombat has just teamed up with Crypto.com to launch an awesome new metal card that's set to change the way you handle payments, both in-game and in real life. Let's dive into all the details. For those who might not know, Hamster Kombat is a popular game on Telegram, and it's been making waves in the gaming community. Now they're taking things to the next level with this exciting partnership with Crypto.com. The new metal card is designed to bridge the gap between virtual and real-world payments. That means you can use it for in-game transactions and real-life purchases with just a swipe. Here's where it gets really cool. The card lets you transact in over 20 different cryptocurrencies. That includes big names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Crypto.com's own CRO token. Imagine buying your favorite in-game items or making purchases in the real world with crypto. How awesome is that? And get this, the card is issued in partnership with Visa, so it's accepted by over 50 million users worldwide. Pretty impressive, right? Now, if you're into perks, the new card has got you covered. It's available in the game's special card section and offers some sweet benefits like increased in-game profits per hour. Plus, you get access to the real-world Crypto.com Visa Metal Card with 5 different tiers, from the entry-level Midnight Blue to the ultra-premium Obsidian card. These cards come with a variety of perks, such as CRO rewards, higher ATM withdrawal limits, and even subscriptions to popular services like Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. The top-tier Obsidian card offers a whopping 5% CRO reward with no monthly cap and exclusive benefits like airport lounge access. But wait, there's more. The launch of this new card also ties in with some big news for the Hamster Kombat community. They're gearing up for an upcoming airdrop, and the new card plays a part in that excitement. The developers have shared that while keys will impact the size of airdrop rewards, they're not required for participation. They're keeping a close eye on key generation to ensure fairness, so no funny business. So if you're a Hamster Kombat player, now is the perfect time to snag this special card. It's a great way to enhance your gaming experience and get some real-world financial perks while you wait for the airdrop. This collaboration between Hamster Kombat and Crypto.com not only boosts your gaming experience, but also brings real-world financial tools into the mix. It's an exciting time to be a part of the Hamster Kombat community. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.